My God is a big God, he's a great God, he's a big God, he's a great God. Yeah, he greater than the rest. Yeah, he greater than the rest.
Welcome back, Rashawn gang. So I got another video for y'all today. You remember I said I was gonna be consistent? Wow, we're bringing heat, we're bringing action. So we got so first what we're gonna do is silk press it here. We're gonna do a ponytail. I think Jayda did it before. She did a ponytail with like 2 stitch braids coming from the side, and then like a sleek, long, extended ponytail. We about to do that on Miss Ashanti. You know the wedding's coming up. You gotta get that hair real sick. You see how silky that hair gets? I'm telling you, her hair is super healthy. You know, we keep up on trims. Really silky and it's growing. Make sure you guys book your appointments with Rashawn Miracles on Instagram, located in Philly. But yeah, I want to teach y'all. I want to take y'all through this whole style. I want to talk a little more. I want to show my face a little more. Press out your roots with a hot comb. I'm telling you, your ponytail will be so laid. And use beeswax and holding spray to keep the ponytail together. I mean, whenever you start to mold your ponytail, you can use holding spray if you want like a softer look. If you want like the look to last like longer, add beeswax or even the wax stick to it as you're molding the ponytail. But make sure your hair is pressed out bone straight. Comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see next. And subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you, content after content. We're gonna get some story time soon from some of my favorite guests. We're about to bring some people on here. It's gonna be popping. Stay tuned, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm telling y'all, I'm about to be so consistent. Thank you all for the support. Share with your fans, your friends, your family, all of that. Have a blessed one. Enjoy the video.
I'm so cozy. This here is some bad hair, okay? We made a miracle, literally. But Rosh miracles make miracles every day. I should have been on stage. Okay? Okay. Look what Rosh miracles.
Recognize you. Please don't deny me. In my mind,